Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Tony. I'm the owner of Homeowner Repair. So the other day we hit 30,000 subscribers, which is pretty crazy. I just wanted to thank you guys for all the support. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, watching all the videos that I pump out there. Thanks for leaving comments, liking the videos and interacting with all the other members of the channel. It's greatly appreciated. We love having you guys hanging out on the channel, talking to one another, leaving great tips. If you see something in the video and you have an additional tip, leave a comment. We like to hear, maybe a workaround or a way that you might do something different. But that's what the channel's all about. It's the ultimate DIY channel. We fix stuff like, cars, we fix stuff with ATVs, we'll do a snowblower review, we do all kinds of crazy stuff. So if you own a house, you're a homeowner, you're gonna have all these things. You might have an RV, we do a lot of stuff with that. So you'll have all these things typically, and something's gonna break. That's what the channel is about. It's about getting you out of a jam, helping you out, and so you can go on with your day, sit on the couch, grab a beer, and just kind of enjoy life. So hope you enjoy the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, ring the bell. You'll get all of our notifications. Thanks for watching, guys.